Hello everybody, Brad here from Dante Armours Tech, and I hope you guys are doing well. And today we're going to be checking out a new gaming headset. Again, this is from Trust. Now this is the GXT 460 and this is the Varzz. Now in a previous video I have checked out the GXT 450 Blitz, and this is the cheaper younger brother of the models. So what we're going to go ahead and do is unbox this, have a look at it, see what it looks like, see what it sounds like, test that mic, and then I'll tell you my thoughts at the end of this video. So then let's go on ahead and open up the box of the 460 Varzz by Trust Gaming. And yeah, once we open it up and get out the headset, this is what it looks like. Now obviously I'll go ahead and get it out of its wrapping, and then I'll move that to one side. But first up, you do get a sticker with GXT on it. Now obviously we're not going to need that. And you do get also your manual. Again, you're not going to use that either. So put that to one side, and here we go. So yeah, it looks quite nice at first glance. So if you look on the ear cups, you've got, obviously it's a plastic shrouding with a metal band through the middle. We'll go through that in a minute. But as you look on the side, you've got these like blue plastic stripes. Now these do light up and they're on both ear cups. You've got the movable boom arm. There you go. And again, it's flexible and it stays in one place where you put it. That's quite nice. And the tip of this lights up blue as well, just in there and just on the side on the microphone, again around that ear cup. Moving on to the band itself, and like I said, it's in a plastic shroud. So you've got a bit of aluminium through here. You have got obviously the steps on the inside to obviously support it from wherever you put it. And again, a little bit stiff, but it's all right. And it looks fairly cheap, to be honest with you. Not like the GXT 450 that I checked out a little while ago, the Blitz. This is the Varzz. So like I said, this is the cheaper, younger model. But again, it doesn't creak and it doesn't crack when you twist it or expand it, which is quite nice. Now on the inside, you've got these sort of faux leather ear cups that are padded. And then you've got a bit of mesh on the inside to cover that 50mm driver. Now that's right up against your ear. There's no sort of padding there. It's right up against the plastic and it's going to be right up against your ear. But yeah, it looks all right. Now moving on to the cable, and this is one thing that I want all companies to take note of. It is a braided cable. I just feel it gives headphones a bit more of a premium feel, unlike the plastic or the sort of, again, rubber that you do get. But on the end, you've got your USB. Now the USB is going to be for the lighting on the ear cups and the microphone. So as you can see, you do get a splitter with it as well. Now on one end, obviously, is going to be the 3.5mm connection. So that's going to be perfect for Xbox, PlayStation controllers, consoles that you're using, tablets, things like that. And you do get a microphone and a speaker splitter on the end of it as well. Just plug it on in and away you go. So laptops, PCs, it works absolutely fine with. And if we move on over, you do have this big bulky block in the middle. Now on here is the volume wheel, so up and down, and you also have a mic mute button as well. So when you mic mute the button, it doesn't turn off the LED on the microphone, so just be careful of that. But yeah, overall it looks quite nice. Like I said, a bit cheap, but again, it's all right for the price, which I will tell you guys at the end. So let's jump on, let's do some sound testing, and we shall go from there. So next up is going to be the onboard microphone for the GXT 460 Varzz. So hopefully it's going to sound all right. And what you can hear now is the onboard microphone of the GXT 460 Varzz. Hopefully I'm coming through loud, I'm coming through clear, and I'm coming through crisp. Overall, the headset does feel all right. I do like the boom arm, and you can place it wherever you want. But yeah, hopefully the audio of this onboard microphone does actually sound all right. So then let's talk about the pros and the cons of the GXT 460 Varzz. Now, just bear in mind, like I said, this is a budget gaming headset and it's not going to be close to the 450 Blitz that I checked out from Trust just a few weeks ago. However, let's start off with the pros. And for me, the headset being cheap is a massive bonus if you're just starting out or if you want something to get you by for now. The microphone, let's talk about that. Obviously, it being able to bend, adjust and being put in place and where you like it, that is a massive pro as well, so you can put it out the way. And the headset itself is really, really comfortable. Now, I thought with that headband and obviously with the foam around the ear cups, it was going to get quite hot and sweaty quite quickly, but I did get about 4 to 5 hours gaming out of it, and it actually wasn't that bad. I also thought the fabric on the inside being close up to those 50mm drivers would cause me a bit of an issue, but again, I didn't really notice it. So yeah, sound-wise, sounded great on the microphone, sounded great within the bass, the treble, the vocals, you could hear everything that you needed to hear, and it wasn't overpowering. Now, let's talk about the cons, and again, I'm going to start off with the microphone. Even though it's a pro because it would adjust, it could have done with being about 1 inch to 1.5 inches longer, just to give you a bit more movability, because on my face, it sat quite a way back. Let's also talk about the light. Now, when you've got that mic mute button, I would have liked to seen it when you mute it, that blue light go off, just so you know that that microphone is off. And obviously when you switch the mute button back on, it then lights up again. But that light is on all the time, whether it's on mic mute, whether it's off mic mute, whatever it may be, it is on. The construction of the headband itself, obviously being a full plastic encasing, did feel a little flimsy to me. Obviously just that aluminium bar on the inside for obviously adjusting it. Again, it's a cheap headset, but I would like to have seen a bit more quality go into it, like they did with the 450 Blitz. Yeah, but overall, not that bad of a headset. Now, the price of this headset comes in at just under £20 at the time of recording this video. And if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, there will be an Amazon affiliate link in that description down below. So it's not going to cost you guys anything extra, just gives the channel a bit of a kickback. It means I can bring you more videos like this. Whilst you're down there, I've also got Teespring. Go and check out all the DAT merch. And whilst you're down there, go ahead and check out all my social media links, Facebook, Instagram, and Discord. That's all free. And I do have a Patreon membership as well if you guys want to help out the channel even further. Now, in a future video, I will do the GXT 460 Varzz versus the GXT 450 Blitz, both by Trust Gaming, just to give you an idea of what the range of that headset can do compared to this headset. However, that does it for me today. If you did like the video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Any thoughts or questions, leave them in that comment section down below, and go ahead and share the video. It really does help out the channel. Now, underneath the video, there is a red bar that says subscribe. Go ahead and click that and smash the bell icon for more notifications from myself. And like always, I shall see you in the next video.